So the quickest way to make any kind of revenue online is to sell your knowledge or sell what you know in terms of a coaching package. Now in this video, I'm going to walk and talk you through how to do this with the Kajabi Coaching Product, and stay to the end because there's some nuances that I wish I knew about this coaching product years ago. I would have started using it a lot sooner, but I'm going to walk and talk you through so you can actually understand and get your head around how to implement this coaching product, because it is unlike all of the other Kajabi products. But before I start, as you've probably guessed, I am a Kajabi hero. I am a Kajabi fan. If you would like to take this platform for a spin, it's the platform that I use to run my entire online business on. You can get a free 30-day trial today. That's double the 14-day trial available to the public. Head to timpeatman.com/Kajabi. And if you sign up, I'm going to grant you straight away a free course, Kajabi Unboxed, where I talk you and walk you through what to set up first, second, third, and fourth in order to scale. Yes, this is an affiliate link, but if you do sign up, part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. And also, if you continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi like myself, I'm going to grant you another offer. Just reach out to me and I'm going to give you my sales page template that I use in this business as a theme. You can literally download it from your Kajabi account and upload it into your templates, and you can use the templates that I use in your own Kajabi account. So head to timpeatman.com/Kajabi to check out all those awesome bonuses. And so to get into this video, I'm going to dive into my Kajabi account, into my partner's account, and show you how to set up the coaching product. So here I am inside my partner's dashboard, and all I've done is navigate it to products, all products, or you can either navigate to coaching or just click get started. So these are the 4 Kajabi products that I referred to, and this is what they offer right now. And they are all very different, but I would say the coaching product is super different. You have to understand that the Kajabi coaching product is not retroactive. So what the hell does that mean? All the other products, so a course product, a podcast product, a community product, if you were to edit anything in your product library, anything about that product, the products are actually live, they're active. So the copy that your clients have or any of your students have will change immediately. That's not the same as the coaching product. If you were to change the structure of the coaching product I'll go through today, it's not retroactive, so it won't automatically populate those clients that have already purchased your coaching product. So I'll say that again, all of the other products are retroactive in terms of if you change anything, it will change what your clients have, but bar the coaching product. So what is a coaching product then? It's similar to like if you have a one-on-one or a multiple coaching packages, you can set that up. So all the features that it has a live video conferencing, calendar integrations, has video content, audio content, exclusive downloads, and the ability to share your notes. So I'm just going to click coaching and I'm going to walk you through a little bit of a setup wizard on how to actually get started. So as I mentioned, there's an option of a single lesson or a package lesson. So I would typically, if you are a business coach or a coach, online coach, I would try and offer a package, because you've got to think to yourself, how much can you actually get people results in one session? If you can, great, you can offer single sessions, but I always like to offer packages so I can actually offer more and actually get them greater results over time, because a lot of this stuff takes time and implementation. So for example, then I would probably add, say, 6 sessions here, and I'm going to title this one VIP Coaching, and it's going to be a package. The name, you can have your name here as the coach if you need, and the description, 6 1-to-1 sessions. Okay, and that's just going to populate and just going to hit continue. Now, the scheduling preferences within the coaching product, this come a long way now. You can actually have live schedules with Kajabi. You can actually have them with Calendly or Custom Link or a manual booking for each session. I, as a Kajabi purist, as you can probably see, I try and use everything Kajabi where possible. And I've been using this recently, the Kajabi, using Kajabi systems to actually book my sessions. And also the location, I'm using the Kajabi Live built-in videos. Now, for some context, Kajabi uses a third-party integration called daily.co. and it just does the job of Zoom. So you have to question yourself, do I need Zoom as well if Kajabi now offer this as third party? Select duration, I like to go for maybe 60 minutes, depending on what I'm coaching at the time, and then hit continue. Primary color, so it's got some branding options here. So primary color, I will probably maybe go for a blue. It hasn't pulled through my my colors here because I'm in my partner account, but I'm just going to set this up and then show you what I've actually set up. And then some sort of branding. So with inside Canva, try and get some sort of VIP coaching branding package going. And then I'm just going to upload something that I've actually already built out. It's my private coaching package. So I'm going to upload that and then see how this looks and then click continue. So for here, then I'm just going to start this off as a free package. If you do have a paid package, you can then start charging for your time and for your coaching. But for the context of this walkthrough, I'm just going to click either skip for now or save and finish. So after you've set this up, you can then go back and set up an offer. And I have done another video how to set up offers and products. They are different. Make sure you understand the difference between the two and how to link an offer to a product. So here we are. This is the VIP coaching package. So your clients, if they actually purchase, you'll see them listed down here as active. And then any past clients, if you've actually gone through the 6 sessions, it will list them here. So I'm just going to walk through the package outline. As you can see, this is how it populates. So sessions 1 to 6. Now this is the bit to try and get your head around. This is what someone would see, sessions 1 to 6. If they joined or if they paid today, this is what they would see in their library. So they go into their product and see sessions 1 to 6, which is great. But if you were to change or add on a session or take away a session, it's at the time of purchase, which is the critical piece. So if you were linking this product or this offer live on a website, I would probably try and think about how you would integrate that. So if this is live for someone to purchase, that'd be great for your bank balance, but actually, can you serve that person? Is it the right session they need? I would always advise to try and have some sort of scoping call with a potential client or a potential coaching client to see if you can help them and see how you can help them. So for example, you might need 6 calls, you might need 12 calls, depending on what they need help with. And then I would always ask for an application, have an application process within my coaching program, and then tailor this package to them. Now, again, this product is not retroactive, so it's actually probably one of my favorite products that Kajabi offer right now, because all you need to do is tailor, say this is going to be 6 sessions. I'm going to offer this person 6 sessions. As soon as they purchase, you can then go in and tailor. You can add a few more sessions depending on the next person that you want to work with. So if the next person needs a little bit more help, you can have 8 sessions or 10 sessions. And then at the time of their purchase, then you can change it again. And it won't change the package that they've got. This is why I recommend you to keep it to the actual session name. So then when we go into the sessions, you can actually tailor it for them. So session description, once they've purchased, you can then add a session description. Once they've purchased, add an agenda item, and then you can add resources, either a welcome video or any links to any downloads or anything like that, so they see it in their account. So that's really key to, again, it took me a while to try and get my head around this to understand how this product differs from all the other products Kajabi offer. And then, like I say, the offer there, it's created a skeleton offer VIP coaching. Make sure that you actually offer this out to the people you actually want to work with and don't just list it on your website. And then some settings. If you wanted to go through and change any of these, this would actually populate in their library. And again, making sure that you've got the Kajabi availability set up, setting up your availability to make sure you can manage it here, making sure that you are actually available the times you say you're available, and either if you're doing it through Kajabi or doing it through Calendly. So that's basically all the integrations, the settings, the clients, and the program, just like one active coaching program. I'm going to jump into my own account and show you how my coaching program will present to some of my clients. So here I am in my library. If I was a client of mine, I would just click Private Coaching, View Product. Then this is how it's going to present to my coaching clients. As you can see, it was last purchased on June 26th. And this is my private coaching package, 12 sessions with me, and it's a private one-to-one coaching package. So it's actually quite simple, but I quite like simple. I offered this last coaching individual 12 sessions with me. And then all they need to do, this is them logging into timpeakman.com. They can schedule first session now. Now remember, this is just a template. This isn't actually how it populates to the individual. Then they would see the agenda items, any notes I've made, or any resources I've linked up here. And it's on them to schedule the session, which is great. It's when they are comfortable, when they're ready for the next session, because there might be quite a few action steps from our last session. Once they are up to speed, they can then click schedule session, and then I use the Kajabi integrated function, so they're going to be able to schedule through here. They're going to select the date of their choosing and then select the time of their choosing and then hit confirm. So that's how it presents for my coaching clients. And again, this is how I list it on my website, so timpeakman.com/coaching. All I do is I have a very simple sales page introducing my private coaching program. This is what they're going to get, and it's an application. So they hit the button apply now, and it's a simple application that then takes them through to a thank you page. But then I actually have that individual's details, what they're after from me as a coach, and then I reach out to them and schedule a coaching call to see if I can help them and how best I can serve them. Then if I'm a good fit for them and they're a good fit for me, I will then send them out the link to the product or the offer link. For me personally, I don't have a live coaching link on my homepage because one, I'm not a good fit for everyone. Everyone's not a good fit for me. But two, I want to make sure that I then edit that coaching package, because remember, again, it's not retroactive. Make sure I edit that coaching package and then make sure at the time of purchase to that individual, it's exactly how I want it. As soon as they purchase, then I can edit the coaching package again for the next session. So I hope that all makes sense. Take some time to actually have a play around with that product, the coaching product. It is different from all the others. And that link, once more, head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. If you're looking to start Kajabi, take it for a free 30-day trial. And I look forward to seeing you again on another video soon.